Jamaica Good Life. Right now, I drive time with music. We have all a vibe today. The big man Linky there. You good? Lighten up your face, Linky. We'll get some breakfast. Right now, we are go a nice little place. We go plant some mint. I plant mint from my land. That way, when we get older, the mint them will grow. And when you come on my yard, when you can get mint, this will show you Jamaica Good Life. Because yeah, what all I need now is a good wife. I'm going to drink my mint tea at 6 o'clock. So when I get the good wife, 6 o'clock I don't have to wake up and make mint tea for me. I'm like green cup. I like my thing specific, you know, like the cup have to be green, the mint have to be ready at 6 o'clock. And you put just a little tip of ginger, just a touch. Everything green, man. So, ladies, if you not come on my yard, if you become my wife, you have to make sure say you have to get up at 6 o'clock. Because 5 o'clock, I get up to top the goat then and go move the cow. So we're going to have a mint morning discussion to see how the family business is doing with when they goat them and they cow them. It's a link in me, I always wake up the phone, man, you know. I have to make sure the parameters of the house is okay. You see what I say? A man's supposed to wake up, check the house. You must not make woman wake up before you, Linky. I have to make breakfast to them, you know. Right now we're driving through Nance Patrick, people. And I'm going to show you what it's like. Just go through Jamaica. Yes, my people, Jamaica Good Life. Go Royal Flats and we're going to get some breakfast and then we're going to push out. Then today we're going to end up at Linky place. Have you ever thought to think we'll make a girl cheat? Have you ever heard she like how you live? You need to check yourself before you start to say it. Have you ever wondered we'll make a girl come? A woman will be satisfied before you say you're done. You can't say a thing if you end up again good. You don't really see this yet. If you're a little fool and say you rule the world, and we my bum scary and I sleep over. Hold up, DJ Randy. The program told them, have you ever started to think we'll make a girl cheat? Have you ever heard she like how you live? You need to check yourself before you start to say it. Have you ever wondered we'll make a girl come? A woman will be satisfied before you say you're done. You can't say a thing if you end up again good. You don't really see this yet, boy. If you're a little fool and say you rule the world, I'll be my bum scary and I sleep over world. Get you up together before you look another girl. You not ready for this yet, boy. Did you even realize a woman have mood? You have to know the angle it when you have one room. That's why you let that man eat will eat all the food. Oh, no, not ready for it. Oh, no, not ready for it. Oh, no, not ready for this yet, boy. Cause I wanna full of yourself, right? Hot fire, they have what they own in their place. God have to work on miracles to make the dead race. Roll them up and lock them up with hey, hey, hey. Have you ever stopped to think what make a girl treat? And have you ever asked her if she like how you did? You need to check yourself before you start kiss your teeth, God. You're not ready for this yet, boy. Have you ever wondered we make a girl come? A woman must be satisfied before you say you're done. You can't say a thing if you end up again one card. You're not ready for this yet, boy. Make you a little fool and say you rule the world. And with my bum scary and I sleep over bird. Get your act together before you look another girl. You're not ready. I link up with Nick Jarry, back. Hunting, I'll be fine. Something. What? Because every time you wanna
just about to crack the Swiss a rebel and me next. A sex are the best remedy thing for the best. So me link up with Nick because she me a request. Me on a fuck, me on a walk, me on a star. Man on a hawk, man on a tag, man on a star. Me on a house, me on a land, me on a car. Me love me God and me not stay far. Me not go run, me not go hide, me not go flee. Me not go keep, me not go turn no run for tea. Me not go afraid of look, and you not afraid of me. But you will get on your own from the lever. You take me to the one and take back your soul. You want to like go get a donkey or a mule. You want to war when you know when you wanna go. Man a piece of man that know you a fool. I love the man and you believe and me a stay. I found me little bit of your son in the pay. I mean the sin that want to make me run away. Cause you know one for you, I'm on no get us. Me on a fuck, me on a back, me on a star. Man on a hawk, man on a tag, man on a star. Me on a house, me on a land, me on a car. Me love me God, so me not stay far. If you think I sober, yes I know we did. I am me born, now we not run away. We run away, some run away, coach a clear. Machine they are in labor. If you ever make a rise the machine, you want to run when the gears feel like clean. I got me hard, now we hard get clean. I see me wipe out the whole team, boy. Oh, we don't go. Enough to go on. If I teach a part of one, let me start up. Oh, we don't go. I say, oh, we don't go. Last time, no last time, why did I turn up? Oh, we don't go. Then I will go to work. If I'm on a hold, let me fight for your wall. Oh, we don't go. If we get cool, I'm in a stop. We not change the code. We live in a slap this time. Now we die and get fucked. We are fire. Everybody keep fire. What you wanna do? Nobody now liar. Full of the tune. Full of the tune. We want more. Oh, we got more. Tell me, how we gonna go? Enough to go on. If I teach a pastor, all let me son. How we gonna go? I say, all me gun. Rasta, no Rasta, them why they a ton. How we gonna go? Then I will go roll. If I wanna hold, let me fight for your fool. How we gonna go? If me get cool, I'm in a slap, me a kill the fool. We live in a slap, this guy, now we die. Fuck we a fan and everybody keep fire. But him and a rule and nobody now riot. Judge over son, why you tell like a liar? How we gonna go? See now we go on. If I teach a pastor, don't let me son. How we gonna go? That's all me gun. Last time no master, them why they a ton. How we gonna go? See now we go roll. If I want a gun, let me fight for your wall. How we gonna go? If me get cool, I mean not stop till me not change me goal. Me little girl, I'm me little boy, I'm me blessing. Sometimes it's don't have me just reminiscing. Suppose I'm not gonna take Bible lesson. And me find out when the pastor molest him. How we do that how? See that we go on. If I pass the pastor, seal up me son. How we do that how? I shit on me gun. Rasta no Rasta, them boy they a ton. How we do that how? Then up we go roll. If I'm on a hold, let me fight for your wall. How we do that how? When me get cool, I mean not stop till me a dream me cool. Fresh kids, the Rasta and them. They come up in the body, they go children. Fresh kids, we now go cancel. When you see people thinking it, leave them alone. How we gonna go? See now we go on. If I teach a pastor, don't let me turn. How we gonna go? That's all me gun. Last time no Rasta, them why they a ton. How we gonna go? I made up we go roll. If I want a gun, let me fight for your wall. How we gonna go? If me get cool, I mean not stop till me a kill me fool. We live in a softness like how we die. Fuck we a want everybody keep quiet. But him on a road and nobody now riot. Don't shoot my son why you get like a liar. How we gonna go? See how we go on. If I teach a pastor, don't let me son. How we gonna go? That's all me done. That's all me done. Woman, for you know I am